So this is just a quick video, 2-minute video of something I think you should avoid when you are trying to look for suppliers and price lists and working all these things. So I came across these guys, and I think I probably have an account with them. I'm not too sure. I remember the name somewhere. I came across these guys. Everything looks great. Okay, Wholesale Cosmetics. I'm going to ignore what I just saw below there for a second. You scroll down a bit further down, download price list. If you go to download price list, you just have that right there, and you can see their entire price list. So they're pretty easy to access, very easy to access. There's no boundaries, there's no obstacles. It's like, here we are. That is red flag number one. That's red flag number one. Here we are. Here's everything we have. That's a red flag in my opinion. That's part one. Now, next is this part here. Now, all newbie sellers will actually get happy when they see this type of stuff. Amazon FBA services. That is what immediately though turns me off. I'm off straight away, because they cater to the lowest. Apologies if you fall into this category, but the lowest common denominator of Amazon wholesale sellers, the guys that just started. And it might be you, but I'm just saying, the guys that just started that are looking for any supplier they can. There is zero obstacles. Everyone has access to them. Now, I'm pretty sure that if I check them out quite well, I might find a few ASINs that are good, but they won't be good for long, because a lot of the new sellers are running straight into things like this. When they try to attract people, because they're Amazon sellers, people that know better will know to avoid a supplier like this, but new Amazon sellers will not. And all the common things that happen when a lot of people jump onto a single listing happen when you target suppliers like this. So yeah, especially people that try to sell to Amazon sellers. It's probably one of the worst things, the worst ways to build a very successful Amazon business. What you want to do is you want to look for the rare supplier, the one that's hard to come across. Okay, that's who you want to look for. If they're not rare, if they're a massive supplier, some of the well-known massive suppliers, I'm not saying they're bad, but you have to be able, and people know them, but to be able to get in tight with them, you have to spend a lot. You have to have a lot of capital in order for them to be profitable for you. Otherwise, the type of supplier you should be looking for is the rarer ones, the ones that not many people know about. That's where the opportunity lies, where everyone else isn't. You have to be where everyone else isn't. That's how you're going to have success in this business. Anyway, hope you got something out of that. And I hope you guys kind of do the right thing. I'm wishing you guys good luck.